Home Remedies presents
The benefits of drinking clove water at night. Number 5 is unbelievable. Hello and welcome. Have you ever considered the benefits of drinking clove water at night? If not, you are in for a treat. Cloves, those tiny but mighty spices, pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. Today we will explore why incorporating clove water into your nightly routine can be a game changer for your well-being. Number 1. Enhanced digestion. One of the primary benefits of drinking clove water at night is its positive impact on digestion. Cloves are known to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which can help you digest food more efficiently. If you have been struggling with bloating, gas, or indigestion, clove water might be just what you need to soothe your digestive system. Number 2. Improved sleep quality. Believe it or not, clove water can also help you sleep better. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has mild sedative properties. Drinking clove water before bed can help relax your mind and body, promoting a more restful and uninterrupted sleep. Say goodbye to tossing and turning. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Number 3. Boosted immune system. Cloves are packed with antioxidants, which play a crucial role in strengthening your immune system. Drinking clove water regularly can help your body fight off infections and illnesses. This is especially important during the colder months when colds and flu are more common. Number 4. Pain relief. If you suffer from chronic pain or inflammation, clove water can offer some relief. Eugenol, the same compound that helps with sleep, also has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Whether it is a headache, toothache, or muscle pain, clove water can help alleviate discomfort. Number 5. Detoxification. Clove water can also aid in detoxifying your body. It helps flush out toxins and supports liver health. A well-functioning liver is essential for overall health as it is responsible for filtering out harmful substances from your blood. Drinking clove water can give your liver the boost it needs to perform at its best. Number 6. Oral health. Cloves are well known for their benefits to oral health. They have antibacterial properties that can help keep your mouth clean and free from harmful bacteria. Drinking clove water can help prevent bad breath, tooth decay, and gum diseases. How to make clove water? Making clove water is simple and easy. Here's a quick recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 2 to 3 cloves. Instructions: boil the water, add the cloves to the boiling water, let it steep for about 10 minutes. Strain the water to remove the cloves. Allow it to cool slightly before drinking. Conclusion: drinking clove water at night can provide numerous health benefits, from improved digestion and sleep to boosted immunity and pain relief. It is a simple and natural way to enhance your overall well-being. Give it a try and experience the difference it can make in your nightly routine.
if you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.